Today we're making chocolate crinkle cookies. They not only look great, but also have the thick chocolatey taste, which reminds me of my ultimate chocolate cake, which we'll make a video of eventually. You'll need 120 gram flour, 1 package of baking powder, 160 gram sugar, 2 eggs, 50 gram cacao, 50 milliliters oil, 120 gram powdered sugar, as usual a pinch of salt and a bit of vanilla extract. Pour the oil and the sugar in a bowl and mix it. You're supposed to mix it until it gets light, but as the mixer doesn't really touch the bottom, I needed to hand mix a bit as well. Don't make the same mistake. Get a better mixer for this. Add 1 egg and beat that in. When it seems that it has become lighter, you can add the second egg. While the eggs are being mixed, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt and cacao. Don't forget to add the vanilla extract. Now you can gradually add the flour into the dough. Gotta love that silky chocolate dough. I really have to stop myself not to eat the dough though. Then you get out your plastic wrap and scoop the dough onto it. Close it up tightly and toss it into the fridge until it gets pretty firm. I let mine rest until the next day, cause good stuff takes time. When the dough is nice and firm, unwrap it and roll them into small balls. Then roll these in the powdered sugar and off on top of the baking sheet. Make sure you leave enough space in between, as these will spread quite a bit. Bake these suckers for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Let them cool off a bit on the baking tray and then put them on a cooling rack to let them cool off completely. And that's it! When I first made these, I was half scared that the powdered sugar wouldn't stay on, but tons of cookies proved me wrong. As usual, the recipe is in the description below. You seem to like sweets, so check out our other videos here, or if this sugar rush is too much for you, check out these yummy snacks that are guaranteed to make you lick your fingers. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss our weekly videos. Thanks for watching.